Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Monet. I am a licensed massage therapist, a serialpreneur. I have a shapewear boutique, a spa, a brick and mortar spa. So on my channel you can find videos about growing your business, growing your spa business, and all things shapewear. And I might throw in a little vlog or two here and there because I really do like vlogging. But anyway, so welcome back to my channel. Today I am in the spa. It is... what day is it? Is Thursday in the spa. We are facing a winter storm this weekend, so I'm like, all right, so a couple of clients are canceling because nobody wants to drive in the rain and not know what's going on. So that's that. But I am doing an unboxing today. I'm going to reveal the new logo for my waist trainers that I have. I've always sold waist trainers for about a year now, and I've been adding like new activewear, shapewear garments, different things like that. So I'm going to unbox the waist trainers today. I'm also preparing for two clients. I have two clients that's coming in to get a foot detox. We've added the medicine balls to the foot detoxes. If you haven't had a medicine balls from Starbucks, you need to jump on that. But I found the recipe from a client, so I just brought the stuff in here. So now when clients get this detox treatment, the medicine ball comes with it. So I'm about to prepare for that, unbox the waist trainers while they're getting their treatment, and probably respond to some emails and some text messages since I've been out, and that's about it. I just haven't vlogged in a minute, so I was like, let me just go ahead and just vlog for the channel and see what's up. So let's go ahead and get ready to make this client's medicine ball before they get in here. Alright guys, so I got everything that I need to go ahead and make this medicine ball. I got the lemonade, I got the tea back here, and the honey, and I got my gloves on for sanitation and my cups. So let's go ahead and make this medicine ball real quick. I always start with my century lemonade, give it a shake. Most people do the hot water first, but I do my lemonade first. I'm gonna pour some of that in there. Got my lemonade. Go ahead and put the tea. The Tivana, Jade Citrus. Pop one of those out and drop it in. And then the Peach Tranquility. Drop that in as well. And I use raw honey. This is just the Walmart brand. Use that Walmart honey. Make sure I already opened it. Y'all, I'm making a mess. Oh, mess. Anyway, so I drizzle some honey in that bad boy. And then put some hot water in it, and that is it. Okay, so my clients are getting their foot detox. I already made their medicine ball. They're drinking their medicine ball, as you can see. So now I'm about to get to unboxing these waist trainers so y'all can see what the new logo is like. So let me get me a little area cleaned off right here. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. All right, so we're back. So let's... y'all, I'm so excited. Like, they look so good. If you see my reel, no, you probably have seen the reel on Sculpting with Harmony page right now, but let me just show y'all these waist trainers. So I do have a new logo, like I said, for Sculpting with Harmony. Let me just show y'all. Look, y'all. Look at their new waist trainer logo reveal. So these are the waist trainers. Let me just, I already took one out the bag, so give me a second. Alright, so this is the one that I took out of the bag. Same quality. Very good, thick quality. Can y'all see that? And it has a zipper and the two straps. And here's an up close view of my logo. Sculpting with Harmony. It looks so cute, you guys. Really cute. So I wanted to show you guys those logos and the new waist trainers because I am about to stock them in the boutique room. I'm about to film y'all, I got the COVID thing yesterday. My arm hurt. It hurt bad. But anyway, so I'm about to film a video of me. I already did the unboxing video. I'm about to film a reel with the waist trainer on so that I can just be, you know, creative and what's the word I'm looking for? Creative and something, I don't know, creative on my Sculpting with Harmony page and interactive. Yeah, interactive. That's what I'm looking for. So I'm about to film a reel with my waist trainer and I'm gonna let you guys actually watch me film this reel. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so now I got my tripod set up. I'm about to go ahead and get back to the sound that I wanted to use for reels and just watch. Got my waist trainer on. Let's see. I already know what sound. So I go to my saved sounds and this is the one I want to do.
Okay, outfit. I like that. Ooh, shit. Ooh, bitch, pop it.
So I'm going to do this sound.
Okay,
Okay, let's watch. Gotta make sure I'm all tidied up. All right, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, outfit. I like that. Ooh, shit. Ooh, bitch, pop it. Pop it, girl, you wanna come over the house and pop it. Pop it, don't stop it, bitch. Don't you dare drop it. Ooh, pop it. Okay, outfit. I like that. Ooh, shit. Ooh, bitch, pop it. Pop it. Pop it, girl, you wanna come over the house and pop it. Pop it, don't stop it, bitch. Don't you dare drop it. Ooh, pop it. Okay, outfit. I like that. Ooh,
Look, y'all, look.
shit. Ooh, bitch, pop it. Pop it. Pop it, girl, you wanna come over the house and pop it. Pop it, don't stop it, bitch. Don't you dare drop it. Ooh, pop it. Okay, outfit. I like
One for the win, right? So
Ooh, shit.
y'all, it only takes a couple of seconds
Pop it.
to film a reel. So find the music, film the reel, add your captions, and that is it. So I'm done with that. So on to the next. And if you guys would be so kind to scan me a review on Google, I sure appreciate it.
Okay, what you do? Just
Yeah, you got an iPhone?
no.
What about
But
hubby? He got a.
it's
It's yeah. If you
though.
scan the QR code, it should.
Picture, right?
Okay, y'all. So I am about to go drop off an order that I got online via Snapchat. Thank you, Snapchat. But I'm about to go drop off a set of baddie leggings. If you haven't checked out the baddie leggings, check them out. And what else did she get? A body slimming wrap. She just had a baby, so she want to slim her stomach down and use the corset wrap and the baddie leggings so she can get that snatch. So I'm about to go deliver this to her friend at the job and go pick me up some lunch because it is now, what time is it? Y'all, it is 1:11 in the afternoon and I have not eaten at all. So I'm gonna pick me up some lunch. I want some sushi, go drop these items off, come back and handle some online business and get ready, because as you can see, I don't know if y'all can see, but the shenanigans are already starting. It's already raining and they're projecting for this to freeze. So I need to handle some business before the day is over, get back home, edit this video, post it, vlog tomorrow because we might be without light, so why not vlog? Okay. So anyway, so y'all, yeah, I'm about to go drop this out, so let's head to it. Okay, ladies, now I'm saying ladies. There might be some men watching my channel too. Hello, you guys. So we are back inside of the spa. It is now about 4 o'clock. I have a ton of stuff to fold. So I am going to fold this laundry, put it up before my client comes in. I did make some sales today inside of the boutique room. Sold some waist trainers, sold some baddie leggings. I'm excited about that. So I have this, like I said, a client coming today. She's getting her, hold on y'all, because I heard some noises and ain't nobody in here but me. Okay. Anyway, so this client is getting her regular post-op massage. I'm going to massage her, give her some tips for after her treatment, done with her, and then I'll be going home. I've already called my clients for tomorrow, so I'm gonna just fold these clothes, prepare for her, and then I'm gonna get on out of here. I might let this vlog carry on till tomorrow, or I might just end it here and just post 2 different vlogs, but we'll see what happens. But right now, let's fold these clothes. Before I start folding my clothes, I always like to listen to like a podcast or a YouTube video. So I'm listening to Vanessa Lou today on YouTube. I like listening to her because she's very inspirational. She gives a lot of tips and tricks, and I just really like her. So I am going to listen to her while I fold up these clothes. So let me just go ahead and get that on and I can get started.
Let's say you want to launch an app. Well, you can't do it alone. You'll need a team.
What is up, YouTube fam, and welcome to my home. I don't think I've done a
Alright, so I fold up all of those clothes. My client just pulled up. As you can see, her red car, well, maybe y'all can't see, but her red car is down there. So I made a mess on the floor. You know how when you wash stuff and stuff just come out the washing machine? Well, this is on the floor. So I'm going to try to sweep this up real quick, get this bed together, get her on the bed, and then we're out of here because Duke Energy just sent me a notification already telling me that my light's gonna be off, child. So I got to get up out of here, go home and take care of my baby. So I'm about to do this last client and then I'm out for the night. Bye. Guys, it's still raining and it's getting dark. So I have finished my client. It was good. We had a good session. We talked, we laughed. I am now about to head home, read up on some stuff. No, I'm lying. I worked all day. I'm going to go in and check on my Facebook analytics, and then I'm going to lay down and watch TV. So with that being said, I'm going to end today's vlog right here. We'll hop back in tomorrow. I actually want to film a special sit-down video, and if the weather is okay tomorrow, I'll come up to the spa and shoot that video. I want to talk about the growth of my business from the time I quit my job till now, and to let you guys in on if I met some of my goals or not. But we'll see how the weather is. If the weather is bad tomorrow, then I'll just vlog at the house with the kids and just do some little stuff around the house. So, but until then, this is the end of today's vlog. So I will holler at you guys in the next video. Bye.